So to verify the design, I've made this little test harness here out of, in my case, ADS components. You could use an HSPICE netlist also if you wanted to. Label the wires, and so you can see the voltages in the data display. So, and then we can drop our unencrypted design first of all into the schematic. First of all, we're going to verify the unencrypted version. If I double click on this component, get my instance name. If I drill down into the component, I can see the HSPICE netlist, because this is my unencrypted version. Up in the hierarchy there. I'm going to run the simulation from this simulation setup window, because I want to save this data set, the unencrypted data set, separately from the encrypted data set. So I'll give it a name. I'm going to use the same data display. So I'm going to simulate from this dialog box. And the results appear. You can check that the unencrypted model is working correctly. So next I'm going to verify the encrypted model using the same test harness. First of all, I have to install the encrypted model that I created earlier on. Just navigate to the design kit we created. This is the zip file you'll distribute. So this is the design kit installed. Just make sure that these lights are green here and that the kit's enabled and the levels enabled. When you install a design kit, it's best to restart ADS, because then it'll read the initialization files again. So we're back. ADS is restarted. I've created a new version of the test harness, just renamed it, and I've deleted the unencrypted component. Now I'm going to go into my library and add from this encoded library the encrypted version. Drop that into the exact same test harness. Now if I try and drill down in this component, it tells me I can't push into encrypted components. So the IP is hidden. I'm going to simulate again, but this time I'm going to choose a different name for my data set and use the same data display just so I can compare them if I want to. And this shows that the encrypted model gives identical performance to the unencrypted model. So this test harness you can actually distribute to the customer. It's kind of handy because then you can make sure that the design kit's installed correctly, and it also shows how the IC would be used in its actual environment. So in summary, we've shown a way that IC vendors can easily share ADS models with prospective customers and protect their IP at the same time. There are some resources here for model creators. As I say, you can get this no charge 30-day license program from this URL, from our website. For model users, we also have a PDF letter you can share with your vendors to explain this program to them and try and motivate them to perform this encryption for you. The links are underneath the video. Thank you.